The camera's gone. Hello? Hello? And there it is. It's back. Close down. There we go. And we're good. Okay, so hello. Good night. Good late night. Yeah. I just noticed something. I was looking back at a past broadcast and actually okay, so like I was saying before I interrupted myself. Um Noticing some weirdness going on right now. So I was watching a stream of past broadcasts, and I noticed that I looked weird. It looked really weird and bad. And now, the frame rate of the camera seems very off. As in, there's a huge delay between what I'm saying and what is going on the screen. And that's just a local delay. So let's see. FPS. Attempt to start number three. Three. Okay. So I was noticing that my stream looked really weird. It was really choppy, and that was because it was just 10 frames per second. I thought 10 frames per second was good. no, no. The viewing was rough, so I decided to add an extra five frames per second. So now we're up to 15. The reason I'm doing that is because I still want it to look somewhat good, right? I want it to look good while also looking good. Yeah, while also being able to stream it at, because I limit myself to 2 megabits because I don't think many services allow more than that. I may bump it up to 2.5 at some point, just to get a little bit more if this one doesn't look too good. But anywho, this is what I was working on yesterday. Um, I made the floor. I think I showed the floor yesterday, and the floor does look nice, right? It does look quite nice. Um, Ground. All right, good old ground. Now I'm currently using this one. This is the normal map that I originally made for it. Now I could change it up to that one. No. Right. The Sobel 5v5 actually gives it quite a bit of depth. It just makes it look very deep. Makes it look very rough. But the Priwit 5v5 gives it a little bit of a smoother, glossy look. But still, while still giving it some depth. Because if I just remove this completely, that's what it looks like. It's completely flat and lifeless. Now if I just use the standard normal map, it's still pretty much nothing. If I add this one, which is the Priwit 3x3, there's a little bit of life. Then we have the Sobel 3x3. A little bit more. And this is the Priwit 5v5, which is quite deep. And this is the Sobel 5v5, which really does bring it up. Really does, like, does some magic to it. Now, the wall is currently in that pre-wit 5v5. I don't know what those things mean. I'm just going by what the hell it says in the editor. What it says in the editor. So let's go ahead and open up the bricks. This is what the bricks look like straight up. Now, if we go to the map, we generate a normal map from this. And then go to the Sobel 5v5. Let's just go ahead and export that. Export as Sobel 5v5, 5x5. Okay, now another option is that I haven't tried them out yet. The filter. There's the 3x3 filter, a 5x5 filter, 7x7 filter, and a 9x9 filter. I'm not 100% sure what that means. Right? It's the pre-wit. It's a Sobel. It gives you a lot more fine detail, which you kind of want, because I did spend the time of putting in that little detail. I really want that to pop out. Alright. That's to make it look inwards. I don't know, right? Whatever. So you have the new normal map. Bricks. So we currently have this normal map. And this one. This is the pre-wit. This is the Sobel 5v5. So that's the pre-wit. That's the Sobel 5v5. So that's what they look like now. Now we can go before and after. That's that. This gives it so much more roughness and texture. It just looks so much different. Up close is gonna look like bad. Right? Up close, there's no fighting it. It's gonna look bad, regardless. Let's go ahead and hit. Ooh, is that a line that I see there? Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Let's go ahead and hit play. I have a third-person controller here. Loading. Okay, you know what? Instead of shifting over, how about I just move my camera over? There we go. Would you ever like to start? There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like in game, which doesn't look quite as nice. It looks smooth. Let's see. Let's go to the ground and make it quite obvious. Yeah. Alright, so it doesn't seem to be changing. Yeah. Doesn't seem to be changing. So let's go ahead and grab this wall. Oops. Is this the new one? I believe so. There we go. So let's grab these walls and just retexture them. Okay. Gotta drop this guy in here. Play. I don't know about you, but it doesn't seem like the normal map is being applied there. I don't know why. Right, because they look extremely different. Extremely different. Extremely different. To the point where this doesn't make any sense to me. Okay. So we need light shining on it, which is okay. Okay. So we need some light. Let's see. If I just bake it, see what that looks like. Mmm. 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 Looks like shit. Let's try that again. Let's try a different setting here. Bake away. Please don't look so bad. It looks bad. Everything is so white. It's just black. What's just black in here? It's one hell of a shine on that wall, though. One hell of a shine. Alright, so for some reason it just looks weird. Makes it look really, really, really weird. Just a little research. Okay, let's try something else. Change the shader up. Let's put you in the standard shader. There we go. Okay, let's change your ass to standard. Alright. Transparent. Rendering mode is transparent. Albedo. Go ahead and change that around. It's awesome. I wish I wish I would have made it white. Like, I wish I could remove all the red. I guess I can. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Ground. Let's change your ass to the standard. Albedo. Put your ass back to white, boy. Alright. Time. Oh, you real time. Illumination then. To real time. Okay. And the ceiling. This is the same thing. Standard. Put you to transparent. Awesome. Cool. Alright. The wall has to be transparent and the ground has to be transparent. Okay. So what if I bake it? Hit play. That looks weird. That looks freaking odd. That looks odd. Hey, what's up? Kairos, how's it going? I'm just here still playing around with lighting to see if I can ever understand how this works. Maybe one day. Maybe. I am just trying to get lighting working because for some reason I can't. Lighting is insane, to say the least. To say the least, it is insane. It is difficult to understand how this works, and it's not very intuitive. And I'm just testing out some textures that I made yesterday, and I can't get global illumination to work right. Whatever, I don't care. Alright, so I think I think it looks good, but maybe I have too much texture on it. That's a possibility. A little bit less in the normal map. Let's see, it kind of looks okay. This one over here kind of has a little bit. It's fine. Alright. 1 second. There you go. So this was this is just an experiment in how they would look. Back to making the level again, the first level again. Here's another issue I'm having. I kind of don't want to use this wall anymore. Alright, I want to use just a texture instead of an object also. You know what I mean? And I need to make like a tile texture. So let's see. It's nice small tile texture. Alright, let's go back down. Okay. Alright, so tiles usually have like grout. And grout is usually like let's go with a dark grout. Dark gray color. Well, that could work. Let's get a new layer. Underneath that layer. Okay. So let's grab a brush. Let's grab some kind of like shape brush. Let's see. No, don't like that. Alright, so let's see what kind of shape we can make. Um, hey, what's up, Zeddy? Um, 100% honest with you, no idea. This is supposed to be a tile, and it looks like shit to me. Looks like straight up dog shit to me. Hi, this is trash. So I create a new one. Let's delete that. Let's delete that shit right there. Nah, man. I'm just experimenting, dude. I'm trying to learn how to do these things. This doesn't look like any trial I have ever seen. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Let's look up tiles. Tiles. Here we go. I'm at the Home Depot. Bruh. Kitchen tiles. Let's go. No. No. It wouldn't be a kitchen towel, would it? It'd be like a floor towel. There we go. Hmm. 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 Got the idea. Got an idea. No, God, no. No, stop. Delete. Delete. Screw that. New. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I'll make it look like a hardwood floor. All right. I don't know. I'll see. So, not this. One goes here. One goes here. goes there. I don't know, man. I'm experimenting. I want one of those. One of those three. One of those three. Okay. So, somewhat satisfied with that. All right. Let's yeah, I kind of like that. Oh God, no, go away. And wood is obviously yellow, right? It's like a deep yellow color. You gotta find something. Eh, I can make that work. Oh, yeah, that's it right there, baby. Looks like shit. Looks like shit. But do I have no pressure sensitivity? That's exactly what's going on right here. Oh Lord. There's no pressure. Hmm. This sucks. Maybe, just maybe, it'll work now. There we go. New layer. We gotta zoom out because that looks like shit. That all looks like shit. Delete that layer. Thank you. Okay. Still find that putrid brown we had earlier. Ooh, okay, that one works. It's very dark. It's very dark. A little bit lighter. It looks like shit. Like actual shit. Oh well. That's the wood we're getting. Yeah, why not? Okay, so that doesn't look like wood. Like in the fucking slightest. And the freaking slightest. No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I wish I would have paid more attention in art class and when we covered color theory and shit. Kind of looks like wood. Okay, whatever, that's fine. Now we can add some variation to it. Okay. Mm. Well, it's cool, dude. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Is that the app you were talking about? It's called Creator or something like that? No, it's not called Creator. Where? How's it wood? Yeah, it looks like distressed wood though. The tiles look pretty good though. Those stone things look pretty good. But the tiles, the wood looks distressed and looks somewhat realistic, and I'm going for more of a not realistic look. You know what I mean? Something that looks really different. Hey, what's up, Fingers? Fingers, how's it going? Okay. Oops. Okay, that one's right there. All right, and wow. Software. I'm using Krita right now. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty cool, dude. That's nice. That looks nice. What? 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 Boy, are you on a race? There we go. Oh, hold up. Something happened. Thanks for the host, HD. Appreciate it. Substances? Substances. Substances. Substance design. Oh, that's good, man. That looks really cool. But I'll be honest, I don't. I think that's a little overkill for what I'm trying to accomplish right now. But it does look interesting. I gotta try. I gotta check it out. Damn, that Harley Hills ain't no joke. So how's everyone doing tonight? Hmm. Thanks. These are actually supposed to be not bricks. They're supposed to be like hardwood floor. But yeah, yeah. Totally what I want to hear. Oh man. Yep. Sounds about right. If you're questioning what they are, then I'm doing my job the right way. All right. All right. Oh shit. No, that's too much. Give us a nice. Yeah. It's like I gotta get to know you before I can just start using your wood. You know what I mean? Like it's not something you just go, yeah, let me play with that. You gotta respect the wood, bro. It looks like shit. There's a little. Where's this brush? No. No. Here we go. I said it was too old. Yeah. I guess that makes me like an ageist. Like, yo, dude, how did that stove come out? Were you able to do anything with it? The UVs are fucked. Yeah, leave it to me to make something that doesn't work. Yeah, they're all stacked on top of each other. I think I might have a copy that I didn't destroy that has separated UVs. I have to check. Yeah, it's gonna be like the shittiest wood floor ever, and I think that's kind of what I'm going for. Right, like this looks more like what should we call it? Looks less like wood and more like shit. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Coffee time again. You must have like an addiction to coffee. Yo, before you go, I'm gonna show you my coffee machine that's sitting outside of my room right now. Right outside the workspace. What am I doing? I am hold on. I am trying to make a wood floor texture and failing. Oh, oh, thanks. Here we go. This is the coffee machine I have. Right there. Orange Sky, thanks for the host. Appreciate it. That's my coffee machine. It cost quite a bit more than that price because I bought it brand new a while ago. Yeah. So those are the prices of this coffee machine. Yeah. It was back before. Oh shit! What happened here? Yeah, it's a sick coffee machine, I know. You know what the worst part is? I don't drink coffee. I've only used it like maybe 20 or 30 times in the past 4 years, 3 years. 3 years, 20, 30, yeah, 3 years. Because I don't like the local coffee. I only drink coffee when I buy some imported stuff. I don't do that very often. I do that for like holidays. I buy myself some imported stuff every other holiday. Cause I like Ethiopian coffee. I don't like much of the domestic stuff. Jamaican coffee's pretty good too. But where I live, it's really hard to get hold of any kind of imported coffee. Everything's local. I live in Puerto Rico, and all the coffee is local. And I know a lot of people like Puerto Rican coffee, but to be honest, I don't like the flavor of it. It's a little too acidic for my taste. That's cool. Alright, so this wood is starting. It's almost looking like wood. No, it's not. No, it's not. I'll stop lying to myself. Hmm. Okay, so the cool thing is I can do that. File, save. Alright, now let's export this. Ground raw, yeah, wood. No, sorry, ground wood PNG. There we go, PNG wood. Okay. Now let's make a normal map. See what it looks like in game. Open. Oh shit. Alright, so comes here, 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 here. Wood. Let's map it. Alright, no map. And then we're gonna go and have this old L. Alright. What has? Wood. Okay. This is your first stream you watch on. What site is that? What is it? Is that Hitbox? Yeah, that's Hitbox. Cool. Cool. You're actually my first viewer ever on Hitbox. Material. Parent. Chris Wood. Map. Fix that. Cool. Alright, so now let's grab the floor here and drop that material on there. Looks very interesting. I'll find the brown in here somewhere. There's gotta be a brown in here somewhere. You know what? Call it rosewood. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it rosewood. Looks kinda cool. Looks kinda cool. Hey, what's up, Zeddy? Hey, did you see that coffee machine I have? Look, wow. That's coffee time for me. Look at that. Grinds the beans and all that. So I actually want to rotate this a bit. Rotation. Oh. That looks pretty cool. Doesn't look like wood, but it looks cool. That coffee machine is actually, it's supposed to be for a coffee, for like like for an office. It's supposed to be for an office where the owners love their employees. That's the kind of coffee machine this is, because it makes some amazing coffee brew. And then actually this right side here, this thing here, um, up here there's two buttons, and you can get cappuccinos or lattes straight out of it. There's a tube that goes from this unit here, from there, from that nozzle, into like some milk, and it just warms it up for you, gets it really frothy. Yeah, it's awesome. Then you have four presets over here. In reality, there are only two. That's about it. This is your coffee machine. Hey, you know what? It's pretty similar. It's pretty similar. Um, yeah, it's pretty close. Mine's just a shit ton bigger. Mine's just a shit ton bigger. Yeah. It looks nice though. It does look pretty nice though. Mine is just more lazy. Mine has preset buttons where you'd be like, I just want a cappuccino, and you're like, okay. I think this doesn't look too bad. You want to try live streaming? It's not that hard. Um, just follow the tutorials. To be honest. Yeah. Oh, I wish I would have gotten mine. I had to pay for mine, which sucks. Streaming is actually pretty easy. As long as your computer can handle it, it's like turn it on, you're done. So Zeddy, what do you think about this wood texture? It doesn't look like wood at all, does it? It looked, and I don't know about you, but to me it seems like it's popping down, like it's down instead of up. I don't feel like it's popping out. I feel like it's the black is popping in. Yeah, I am. I'm using that thing that Orange Sky uses. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I know. It looks like bricks. This is the first time that I try vertex shading though. I kind of like it. I like just making a white texture and then just coloring it how I need it. Yeah, it does look like bricks though. Doesn't look like wood at all. I think the issue is that with wood, you really can't have the shading, like, cause you see there, every place where I put that little shading in, it just like broke into it. So this does look like a great break and a shady. Actually, you know what this could be? Maybe the restaurant, right? Where they're like, well, we need a wood floor, and they're like, nah, man, we can't get good wood. And they're like, so get us pallet wood. And there it is, right there. That's the wood supply that they had to build the floor. That right there, just pallets. Oh man. Well, I do have a cobblestone texture. Like, look at that one, right? It doesn't fit though. I don't know. Have you ever been to a place and they have like, and there's a restaurant that's like that? You know, like But on the inside it has cobblestones. Well, they could be stone tiles. Or you make it a top-down shooter? That sounds awesome, bro. Alright, hey, thanks for stopping by, Mystery Skull. Appreciate you coming over. Yo, cafe. Yeah, I guess I could do something like that. It doesn't look bad. I would totally go to a restaurant that had that on the floor. You're just a level designer though, bro. Mad respect, dude. Your level design is so involved. Just so involved, dude. There's so much stuff you have to do. And then once you finish it, you realize, bruh, it's not fun. You gotta start over again. Maybe that's just because I'm a shitty level designer. Battle Axe Cafe. That could work. And then I gotta change these walls. These walls gotta go. The walls gotta go. Oh, I know what to put on the walls, bro. Let's get rid of these walls, right? The door, you can say I have to modify. Oh, look, I made this door. I made that door. Look at that lock. Yeah, so much stuff that goes into that. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to go with you on that one. Whoever invented baked lighting can go, yeah, definitely asterisk themselves. Because it never works. You would think baked lighting is just like, okay, well, here's the real-time lighting. Well, bake it. That way it doesn't get calculated. No, that's not how it works. Nothing ever works how you expect it. Look at that door, though. Look at that knob. You see that knob right there? Look at the inside of the knob. Something that no one will ever see. I spent like an hour and a half just perfecting the inside of the knob to make it look like that. Look at that. Sexy knob. And that keyhole. That keyhole took me 45 minutes. And it didn't quite come out how I wanted it to. But yeah, that's the knob right there. Alright, so let's put some walls here. Wall. And let's create a new cube. Put it in that wall. Alright. Okay, alright, here we go. Close enough. And you know what? Let's put you down to 0. Makes it easier. Here we go. Wow, there we go. And let's change you to 0.25. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's drop in that material right there. Totally fits. Totally fits. And let's put like a little bit of red in it. That totally fits in. Look at that. That looks kind of good. Kinda looks good. Yeah. Um, prison cafe. No. The prison's downstairs. This is supposed to be the little restaurant inside the building. It's not little. It's kind of big. Pretty big for an office building. And I might be changing the bathroom. I might not use this kind of bathroom. I might use my other restroom and just drop it in there. Yeah. Yep. The one comedy club that's always has tickets, never has anyone seeing anything. That's the one I'm talking about. Holy crap, my floor is in the wrong place. Wait.